Woo! I'm back. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Paper Tiger. If you're new here, my name is Steven, and I got some confessions to make. I've done wrong. I've done real wrong. Also, here's where the barbecue used to be. I don't know why saying goodbye to the barbecue was so hard, but I'm just broken inside. And to make matters worse, I did something incredibly stupid with the Civic that I need to fix today. So that's what we're gonna go do right now. All right, so we gotta start her up, get her warm, because I need this stuff to stick. What? Okay, I better explain. If you've ever seen like one of those videos where like a bunch of old guys are like talking about the mistakes that they made on their first project car, that's me. That's me right now. We bought this car in August last year, and I've already made several questionable choices about this car. Most notably, the cheap carbon fiber. I'm going to replace this actually. I like how it looks, but I want it to just be black instead of fake carbon because the fake carbon looks tacky. And we're going to swap this out for just black plastic, and it'll look a bit better, I think. So that's also on the list, but I made another very questionable choice on the Civic. I bought some LED lights for the Civic, and it did not go as planned. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna turn them on. And as you can see, they are on. So these are actually fairly sick in theory. I have them installed on the back and on the front. They look really, really sick. Like, here's a montage that I took like right after I installed them, and I think it looks pretty sick. All right, roll that footage in 3, 2, 1, get it. The only problem is that I've had to install these 3 different times. Today is going to be the 3rd time that I've had to install these things, which is not fun. And there's a very good reason why I've had to install these puppies 3 times. The problem is that I was installing them right under here, underneath the dashboard, as you can see. I was installing them like right up in here, and it just wasn't sticking. And also, to make matters worse, on this side, it's got this thing right here. I was trying to install them right up in here and right up in here, and then they had to go right here too. I couldn't split them, and so it just wasn't sticky enough. And on top of that, the adhesive that it came with right out of the box did not stick well enough, and so I went out and got some double-sided tape, which worked pretty well actually. But over time, they fell off again, much to my anger. So the plan for today is to finish up this mod by using these mounting tape squares to attach the ones in the front to the bottoms of the seats. I was gonna go get some more double-sided tape, but my mom got the wrong order at Walmart and picked these up on accident, and I nabbed some before she took them back, and let's just hope this works. Gorilla tape, yeah, I trust it. So, while I find this all very kind of embarrassing because of my lack of experience and my inability to properly install LED light strips, and the fact that they're cheap and they don't work very well in the first place, I'm still going to keep them on the car. Why? Because my brothers and sisters really seem to like them, and I do think that they look really sick. They're just really cheap, and I would not advise buying this product at all. If you want to get LED lights for your car, get some nice ones and not $25 ones like I got. Also, they were completely free. My mom got them for me for Christmas, and I did not pay a cent. All right. Well, I got one side done. As you can see, not amazing, not the greatest in the world, but it's staying on, and that's pretty good. I just need to deal with the wires, and then driver's side is done, and then only time will tell if it stays on. But this Gorilla tape thing, tape squares thing, Gorilla tape squares, Gorilla glue tape squares, they seem to be working pretty good. So I think I'm gonna just keep using them to finish the passenger side. Sorry, I can't word today. I just can't talk. It's not, words are not coming out at all. I can't work. I'm just gonna stop. All right, it's done. Everything's done. Pretty easy, as it should have been. As you can see, this one's on, and these came with the kit, and they're for the wiring situation down below. As you can see down here, I bundled these wires together just to keep them out of the way. I should really throw away this umbrella. Same down here, except I actually did a pretty good job of hiding them this time. They're way back in there. You can't really see them too much. And this one here on the bottom was starting to fall off, so I fixed that one as well. And finally, this mod is done after like 2 months of trying to get it done. I'll be honest, I didn't really want to tell you guys that I had struggled for the past 2 months putting these on, but I don't know, man. That wouldn't seem very fair. And I mean, these are kind of cool. They just have to be done right. There was one other Civic mod that I forgot to tell you guys about that is way cooler than these LED lights. This boy. This is a magnetic car phone holder, which is super sick. I like this thing quite a lot because it actually works and it's way more functional than anything else that I've put into the interior. Now that the mod is done, we can move on and do some actually interesting things. Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna go find some cars. Got some new cars and old cars that we're gonna go take a look at, and yeah, we're just gonna go around and see what we can find and have a good time. So let's get into it. In 3, 2, 1, fire. Oh, let's go. I've seen 2 GTs now.
Really?
Yeah, I saw a red one at World of Wheels last year, and now this one. I like this front end much better. You guys remember the other Mach-E that we saw here? I know this one's covered in snow, but it's so much better. And the black wheels? Heck yeah. I like the GTs. They are cool. That is all. So we drove into this yard here full of Buicks and old cars of the like. Wildcat. Is that a Nova?
Impala.
Ah, Impala. I see that now.
96.
Yeah. So it went like this. We went out to Pittsburgh and we went to LW Automotive again. And I'm gonna show you guys the footage that I shot there later on in the video today. But I saw this place from the road up there. You guys can see there's that road up there. I saw this place, Starry's Auto Sales, and I just knew I had to come down here. Just from seeing this car. This was the car I saw from the road. And I was like, wow, I gotta come down here. And I'm very glad I did because there's a lot of really cool stuff up here. 59 Mercury Monterey. 312 V8 with 210 horsepower. With white wall tires of all things. $15,000. These lights are crazy. Look at that. That is awesome. Oh, this is a Cadillac. Oh. It looked like a... Oh, yeah. Look at the tail fins. Holy cow. That's awesome. Cadillac. Is this a... I forget what this is. El Dorado? It's too covered in snow to tell what it is based on the name. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. It's like Flo from Cars with the tail fins. Dude, that's so cool. Wow. It's like a jet fighter, boys. That's so cool. What? Gosh, what a boat. Look how long it is. Dude, those tail fins are so cool. I'm geeking out so hard over the tail fins. Most importantly, there's a golf cart. Oh my goodness. Here's a golf cart. Oh man, oh man. This is what I really came to see. This is the real money right here. Oh yeah. Mid-American Designs. Oh, and there's a riding mower up there too. I almost missed that. But yeah, woo. I'd buy a golf cart if it was given to me. And then this old boy right here. It's got some really cool American decals here on the side. It says Free Spirit on the side of it. It's a mystery. I'm gonna have to research this car. Now moving on. A Buick.
Are you sure about that?
Buick 8 looks like. Maybe? It's got some green wheels. Oh yes. It's a nice car. It's kind of rotting away. I swear this is not Old Cars Rotting Away Part 9. I don't think there was ever a Part 8 though. The grill. That's awesome. So you guys just sell them?
Yeah.
Kind of like fix them up a little bit and then sell them?
We try to buy drivers, you know. Don't get into the restoration aspect of it. It's just too much money unless it's something for ourselves.
Yeah.
You know, we just did a 47 Buick Woody wagon.
Yeah?
Yeah, we just
wow.
finished that up. Yeah, if you want to take a peek at it.
All right. Oh wow.
Over here. We like our Buick.
Did you guys take this one up to the car show up at the church up the road there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that one there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was there. That was a beautiful car.
Yeah, that should have been there. This was there.
Oh yeah, I remember this one here too.
Yeah, we probably take about 7 or 8. Yeah, we probably had about 7 or 8 here this year.
Yeah, just finished that up. That was a 2.5-year restoration.
What's that?
Yeah.
Original Woody, original bottom cloth. Was that whole. Yeah. There's a front section that's metal. Then in 49.
47.
49 they went through the whole metal.
I just noticed this. That's so cool.
59.
Love that. The little hood ornament.
Oh yeah, bomb site they call that.
Yeah? Oh yeah, yeah. That was a beautiful car.
Thank you. Yeah, we're very partial to that one.
Where's a good place to park?
We parked down there last time. Look at this McLaren. That green is insane. Poor guy's covered in snow. Oh no. This S2000 is totally trapped. Urus is still here. Carrera S is pretty cool too. Fortunately, yeah, part of it's broken off. I missed that on the way in. Aston Martin SUV. I don't think I've ever seen one of these before. Looks real plush. It's a tourist show. Oh, it's a tourist show. We used to have one, and then we sold it. Well, if I don't trade in the baby Civic for a Veloster N, I guess I'll have to trade it in for a Civic Si. I really want a Civic Si. I probably won't get one though. Wow. That's really cool. Looks like he's hauling snow everywhere. Oh, I'm gonna look inside real fast. Oh, it's all like paint matched. He's right, it has been customized. Oof. That's a lot of snow. It's missing some stuff on the side there, but that's really cool. Oh, dude, I just noticed. Oh, okay, I'm looking in the rearview mirror and I can see myself recording myself. That is so weird. What? That's so weird. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Can I have a banana? Okay.